When do plumbers get the most work? Ever wonder when plumbers are the busiest? Well, we're going to talk about that, and we're going to talk about it right now. Now, if you've been here before and you've already subscribed, do me a favor, hit the bell so you get notified every time we release a new video. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with somebody that you think could use this information. Well, number one, winter is the busiest. Why? Well, think about it. Burst pipes due to freezing temperatures, water heater failures. Now, in the wintertime, you do not want to go without a water heater for any time at all. And then increased drain clogs from holiday cooking and guests coming over and overloading your toilet. Did you know that there's actually a name for that? Well, that is Brown Friday. It just happens to fall on the same day as Black Friday. You invite a whole bunch of people over for Thanksgiving, and they eat more food than they normally do. And then maybe they go out and they play football with the kids out in the yard and get that stomach flowing and get everything worked down. Well, guess what? They're going to overload your toilet. And when this happens, that leads to clogs. That leads to more things that, well, your sewer line may not be ready for. I remember getting a call late one Thursday, Thanksgiving Day, and this lady is bawling. She's like, look, I don't know what to do. My sewer stopped up. I've got people coming over for dinner, and I just don't know what to do. Well, I always made it my point when I had my company, I'm going to go above and beyond to take care of my customers, especially on holidays or if they didn't have hot water or if they didn't have water. So this is one thing that we really wanted to get in and take care of. So I went over and got everything undone, got it unclogged. They were ecstatic. Matter of fact, it was so good, they invited me to hang around for dinner. Well, I didn't. I needed to get back home to my family. But I always want to make sure my customers are taken care of. Now, when is another big time in the wintertime that we have problems? Super Bowl Sunday. Think about it. You eat so much stuff that you normally wouldn't eat, and guess where it's going to end up? Well, yeah, we know where it's going to end up. And if you're having a Super Bowl party and you've got 20 or 30 people over there and everybody's overloading the toilet, guess what? Super Bowl Sunday? Yeah. Why do you think they call it Super Bowl? Your toilet bowls get used a lot. Okay, when is the next busiest time? Well, summertime. It's funny that it's either winter or summer that are the big problems. But summer gets busy because of sewer line backups due to tree root growth. Think about it. The roots have been just sitting there all winter long trying to stay warm in your sewer. And, well, now they're growing. Now they're getting watered. It's raining. You're watering your yard. You're doing different things. You're fertilizing it. All these roots, they're seeing it. They start growing and they start clogging up the sewer again. Now, one thing I recommend, if you've had problems in the winter with your sewer, before summer, run a camera down it, get in there, look at it, and see if you've got roots just waiting to grow, expand, and clog up your sewer. Next, garbage disposal issues from barbecues and cookouts. Now, I got to tell you, I love cooking out. I have the Oklahoma Joe, the big smoker. I've got a Traeger smoker, and I've got a big green egg. I love cooking, but I don't just put all that oil and grease and barbecue sauce and everything like that down the drain. If I know that I've got a mess like that, I'll wipe everything out, put it in the trash can, and throw it away. So think about it. What can you do to not put as much down your sewer, either in the wintertime or the summertime, when you know it could lead to problems? Now, another thing in the summertime, sprinkler system repairs and pool leaks. Now, a lot of plumbers don't do pool leaks. Now, that blows my mind because really it's PVC. It's pretty easy to find with the Leak Pro equipment if you use it right. And the good thing is there's no license required to do those swimming pool repairs. Now, sprinkler systems, you need to be a licensed irrigator to install them and do things like that. But if there's just a cracked line, I'm good with that. I'll make a repair on that. Anything I can do to help people out. But between the sprinkler system repairs, the pool leaks and things like that, they just add to more issues in the summer times that, to be honest, most plumbing companies should be looking at taking care of. Now, the surprisingly slow times, late spring and early fall. Now, this is crazy, but smart homeowners schedule maintenance during those times to avoid emergency rates later. Imagine that you've got a drippy faucet and you keep putting it off and you keep putting it off. Well, here's the thing. When you finally realize that it's bad and you need to do something about it, it's liable to be the middle of the night because now you hear it running. Now it's keeping you awake. Now you call a plumber. Well, there may be a $300 emergency fee. What if you just waited till tomorrow morning? And I've done that before. Literally, I had a tub dripping one night and I'm hearing it drip and it's bugging me. So I took a wash rag or a towel or something and laid it down in there, did not clog the drain up, didn't cover it up, but waited till the next day. Guys, I'm a plumber. I still didn't want to fix that in the middle of the night. In the middle of the night, you may run into a problem where you don't have the right parts with you and there's nowhere open to get it. Well, if you've shut off that water, it's not getting turned on until tomorrow anyway. Why not just go ahead, make the noise as quiet as possible to get you through the night and take care of it tomorrow when there's not an emergency service fee. Now remember, higher demand equals longer wait times. You might find some great off-season discounts and availability. Are you planning a big renovation? Book that before the busy season hits. Always talk to your plumbing company and say, look, when is y'all's slow time of year? When would be the best time for us to do this? Because if you can do that, if you can set things like that up, it might be a whole lot cheaper. Wintertime, right around the holidays, right around Super Bowls, understand if you've been having drain problems, get a plumber out before then, not Brown Friday or Super Bowl Sunday. And most plumbing companies, if they get called out on Super Bowl Sunday, guess what? It ain't going to be cheap because they want to be sitting home, eating barbecued ribs, drinking beer, and hanging out with their friends just like you are. So guys, if you found anything here that brought you value or you think, hey man, I got a friend that needs to know this, give us a thumbs up and share this video with them. And then if you've already subscribed, go ahead and hit that ring bell so you know every time we come out with a new video. And guys, if you love this video, I definitely think you're going to like that one. I'm serious. Go ahead. Click on it. You can go. Go to the video. It's okay. You're good. Bye, guys.